Hello dear learners. My name is Kalariya, and in today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make Android application of any website. Suppose this is my website, and I want to create an Android application of that website. Then, first of all, go to Android Studio and select Create New Project. Inside that, create empty activity. Give your project name. Since my website is Somnia Handmade Herbal Soap, I am giving project name is Somnia. Select languages Java, new SDK support Jelly Beans. Click Finish. It will take a time to load your project. Once it is loaded, we'll find screen like this. First of all, go to activity underscore main XML. Delete this text view and over here replace it and write down linear layout. Go to design view, widget, select web view widget and drag and drop onto your screen. Again go to code section. You can see web view over here. Give it an ID as Android ID is equal @ web view. So we are identifying this with this ID. Then go to main activity.java. We'll found this file inside Java folder over here. Over here, first of all, write down the instance of web view. Web view is equal to web. Then inside this onCreate function, write down web is equal to find view by ID r.id dot web view. So we are selecting the web view which we created. Then web settings is equal to web settings and web dot get settings. Basically, we are going to get all the settings related to web view. Set JavaScript enabled is equal to or true. Then web dot set web view client, and we are passing a callback function over here, which we are going to define just after this onCreate method. After that, write down web dot load URL. Inside over here inside double quotes, you have to pass out the URL of your website for which you want to create the Android application. So I copied the URL and pasted over here. After this onCreate method, I want to create a private class named this callback, which extends web view client. And inside over here, I have to override the should override key event, this one. Press enter. It will create an override method for you. That's it. Save this page. After that, go to your folder structure. Over here at resources, create a directory called XML. Inside that, right click and create one XML resource file. Give this file name as network underscore security underscore config dot XML. So we are creating a network security configuration file. So it has been created over here. Now delete this one, and instead of that write down network dash security dash config tab, and inside that write down base.config is equal to text clear text traffic permitted is equal to true. Complete it. So basically we are allowing text traffic for our web view or Android application. So we created this created this XML file over here inside XML. Then we have to give the reference inside the manifest file for this, and we have to also specify the permissions required for this application. This application particularly uses the internet, so we have to include two permissions related to internet. Android dot permission dot internet. Complete it, copy it, paste, and second permission is dot access network state. So we'll check the network state and let you know that you are connected to internet or not. So this two permission, and then over here we have to write down Android, then network Android colon network security config is equal to @XML slash network security config. Basically, we are pointing out this particular file over here as a security configuration file inside Android manifest. So that's it. We are ready to run our application. Go to run button, click on it, and it is loading the application name over here. You can see over here the status of your application, and that's it. It is able to render our website. You can scroll it down. The same website which we can see in our browser is rendered over here. Next page, about us. All the pages are rendered perfectly. Contact meet the team. So that's it, dear friends. This is how we can create very easily an Android application of your website using WebView. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you very much. See you.